Well, my name is Hardwin Mead, and I'm a cardiologist. I work primarily up at Sequoia Hospital in Redwood City. Been in the area practicing for well over 20 years now. I had a lot of friends that had had LASIK surgery, but early on I wasn't considering it for myself, and one of the things that made me decide to do that was playing golf one day with a friend, and I lined up a putt and completely missed the putt, and he said, "Where did you see that break?" And I told him, and he said, "You got to get rid of those glasses." He says, "You can't see." It didn't take very long before I decided on Dan Beers as the person I'd want to do my LASIK surgery. He not only had a great reputation in the community, but I had had several friends who'd also gone to Dan. My mother had gone to Dan for cataract surgery, and then my wife sort of blazed the trail, and she had her LASIK surgery first with Dan after we talked about who should be the right person. So after that, I never hesitated, went ahead and did it, and I can't tell you that I've had 1 second of regret and been very, very pleased with it. I've got 20/15 vision now, hitting more putts, so it's all good. As a physician, I think it's important to know that you have the trust to trust your physician. So when I talked about, well, what are the different options, and I talked to Dan about that, and he was wonderful in going through the different options and being able to show me, this is how this would look, this is how that would look, this is what you can expect from this, these are the potential, you know, and I didn't really see any downside in doing the intralace. It's over so quickly. I had absolutely no problems, recovering post-operatively, so, and really have had none since then. So I've been very, very pleased with the results. The recovery was frankly minimal. From having obviously been very familiar with many other kinds of procedures, I have recommended Dr. Beers to many others, and I would not hesitate to do that again in the future.